Hello everyone, this is Farnoosh Samadi, one of the jury member from same boat, and I want to read the motivation for awarding. In this outsiding film, the single story of a woman is used as an example of many other cases, mistreatment and exclusion of immigrants. Bureaucracy above humanity, strict order above solidarity. We were touched by the way how the filmmaker captured how the main character tried to balance her longing to say goodbye to her father, but also her loyalty to her fellow performers and not letting them down. The multiple layers in the story, the cinematography and performance of the actors convinced us. We are awarding there by Zeynep Köprülü with the Best Short Film Same Boat Award. Thank you.